Hello, this is Jill Swan from Spoontown, the south of England's largest spoon carving gathering. I'm just here in the field where we're going to be holding the event this summer. There's lots of interesting projects going on by the owners, but basically we're going to have a fire pit in that area there, and we're going to have another fire pit under the shelter in that area further away, with the main path here. We're planning so far on putting the trainers down this side under their individual shelters so that they can all be seen and they can see. This is going to be the office area and possibly one of the catering zones, depending on what other options we can come up with. And down this side of the entire site is going to be the camping. The cars are going to be parked over the hedge in the field next door, and welcome to the site. I do hope you can join us in July. We're putting a lot of work into it. www.spoontown.co.uk. Thank you.